Hey baby, what do you think about these wheels?
They're cute.
3 months. That's how much I had to wait to get these wheels. Let's unbox them. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at that. So these are the Lock Off-Road Mojave 17 by 9 with a -12 offset. I chose the -12 because I wanted that little bit poke. Right now I'm running a 2-inch spacer. I don't want to run that no more, so that's why I went with the -12. These, wow, man, I love them. These things are, I always wanted to get this. Let's go check and see how they look in the car. So this is how it looks in the car. I mean, this is how probably it's gonna look. I don't know if we want to get 33s or 35s. Comment down below and let me know which one you think. I'm gonna be running a 2.5 lift or leveling kit. Hey baby, what do you think about these wheels?
They're cute.
What's the most thing that you like about them?
The mountains.
The mountains. Yeah, those are the logo for Lock Off-Road. You like that?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, man. It really helps. This thing is gonna be a beast.